What's going on, guys? Another video. We're here at ATV Tri-County Open House 2015 Spring Open House. Got the old trikes out. 350X, one I got from West Virginia is here. Got the little 70 here. Little Polaris 90. Buddy's got his toy hauler out. Got my toy hauler all set up. He's probably still drinking. She loves the camera. Asks lots of questions. She wants to know what we're doing. We're filming YouTube videos.
Say something to YouTube.
Say something to YouTube.
Fuck you.
There you go. That was nice.
Sad to see, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys never been to Tri-County Open House? Need to get out here. It's in Howard, PA. Have 2 a year. There's Lex. Lex, you ready to ride?
I don't know.
Daisy, what are you doing? A lot of people coming in. Sunday, we were here since Friday night. I'm a member, so we can get in whenever. This whole field was packed yesterday, but it goes a whole way up over the hill. We're parked by the drag strip here, so we get to watch all the festivities. Yeah, I take his toy hauler out pretty much everywhere we go. Got the old Jenny running right now.